Hi, I'm Priyanka from Intel. In this video, we show you a few optimization techniques to improve your computer vision application performance using the OpenVINO Toolkit. The first technique is to use the right data type for your target hardware and accuracy needs. The different hardware types are optimized to be used with different quantization. For example, the integrated GPU supports both FP16 and FP32 quantization. However, you can get better performance for FP16. The second technique you can try is to tune different parameters of the model optimizer such as mean values, scale values, or batch size to achieve a performance boost. You can increase the batch size to get the optimized value for your application and the model. The third technique is to use an Inference Engine API over the traditional computer vision tools to get a performance boost. This is because the Inference Engine API uses highly optimized plugins for hardware accelerators. As an example use case, the OpenVINO Toolkit helped GE deliver optimized inferencing to its deep learning image classification solution. By bringing AI to its clinical diagnostic scanning, GE no longer needed an expensive third-party accelerator board. The OpenVINO Toolkit helped them achieve a 5.9x performance boost above their target. The fourth technique is to use ASYNC API from the Inference Engine to improve the overall frame rate of the application. It executes a request asynchronously and waits until it is ready when the result is actually needed. It continues doing things on the host while the hardware accelerator is busy. Let me show you a quick example of how this technique works by running the ASYNC sample from the OpenVINO package. I am using MobileNet SSD model for object detection and cars video as the input. This demo supports both async and sync mode. You can switch between them by using tab. You can see the amount of frames processed by the async mode are much higher than that of sync mode. The last technique is optimizing the whole pipeline by using Intel MEDIA-SDK. It is a high-level framework that enables video codecs. It supports hardware-optimized encode, decode, and frame processing. MEDIA-SDK takes care of optimizing the encoding and decoding tasks to boost your application performance. Thanks for watching. See the next video for advanced video analytics with the OpenVINO Toolkit.
Hey everybody, I hope you liked this video. If you haven't seen our other videos on the Intel Software YouTube channel, remember to subscribe and don't forget to leave us a little comment. Tell us what other material you'd like to see and chat with other enthusiasts who watch our shows.